Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet orange oil for skin lightening. We'll be needing two ingredients, the oranges and some olive oil. In fact, it is the orange peels we actually need for this oil making. So now let's get started. I will start by peeling off the skin of the oranges into this bowl. So this is my orange peel. We just be needing a little. So the next step is to add in some olive oil and make sure the oil is covering the orange peels. So this is it. So guys, this is the next stage. I already have water boiling on the stove. I'm just going to put in the mixture of the oil and orange peel and allow it to cook on medium heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then your oil is ready. Stir from time to time before it's ready. So now I'm taking it off the stove because it is ready, and I'm going to allow it to cool down before pouring it into this jar. So guys, this is the quantity I got. Yes, I made very little. So we've come to the end of this video guys. It is better to leave this oil 5 to 7 days in this bottle before pouring it out so that it can ferment properly and be more effective. Thanks for staying with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.